Okay, good morning everyone. Is slide visible?
Yes, sir.
Wait, light चला गया. Wait, मुश्किल. Wait. अच्छा, ये बताओ, what is coordination number in closed pack structure?
Sir, the total number of nearest particles, nearest neighboring particles is called coordination number.
Okay, so in case of CCP, what is the coordination number? Cubic closed pack
The
in case of,
CCP it is 12.
and or HCP, or three dimension
HCP also 12. 12, sir.
Okay. What is the packing efficiency of square clutch packing in 2 dimension? What is the packing efficiency of square closed packing in 2 dimension closed pack structure? Any idea?
Sir, actual value मतलब percentage में बोलना है क्या?
नियर अबाउट, मतलब परसेंटेज. हाँ, काल दिखा है तो स्लाइड में. ठीक है, चलो. हेक्सागोनल क्लोज स्क्वायर में किसका परसेंटेज ज्यादा है पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी का?
हेक्सागोनल का ज्यादा होता है.
हेक्सागोनल का. व्हाई?
Because they are more closely packed, then the coordination number is more.
Coordination number is more, na? Okay. What is octahedral void?
When the void of void in one layer is above the voids of other layer, and the octahedron is formed, and such type of voids are called octahedral voids.
So, what is the number of void? What is the number of tetrahedral void? If particle number is 10.
It is equal to the twice the number of particles, and octahedral voids is equal to the number of particles.
Okay. ठीक है, मोबाइल से शेयर कर देते हैं. ठीक है, देखता हूँ लाइट चला गया स्कूल का. तो एक सेकेंड. ये स्क्रीन दिख रहा है क्या अभी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो ओके तो today we'll discuss about defects in a crystal. Okay, so when a defect is arises, okay, we know in case of a perfect crystal, okay, particles are arranged in a regular and periodic order. Okay, so in case of perfect crystal, so actually perfect crystal does not exist, only at absolute temperature perfect crystal exists. Okay. Always there is some irregulation of the constituent particles at their lattice position. Okay, so here we will discuss some type of deviation which is called defects. Okay, so this is the definition of defect. Okay, so when actually defect means when constituent particles dislocated from their lattice position, a defect arises. Okay, so there are three types of defects mainly, generally: point defect, line defect, and plane defect. Okay, so in this syllabus we will discuss only point defect. So what is point defect? Point defect means point defect actually one-dimensional defect. Okay, so here the constituent particles, atoms or ions. Okay, that means atoms or ions are dislocated from their lattice position. Okay, and this type of defect is arises. Point means here atoms and ions. Okay, move out from their lattice position. So sometimes they missing from the lattice position, sometimes they occupy the interstitial position, okay, in the crystals. So there are three types of point defects, you know, stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect, and impurity defect. Okay, so first stoichiometric defect. Okay, so stoichiometric actually stoichiometry means a number. Okay, you know, you heard about stoichiometric coefficient, okay, in a balanced chemical equation. So stoichiometric defect means before and after defect, the ratio of cations and anions remain same. Okay, if in a perfect crystal the number of cations and anions are 10:10, okay, then after defect, that means after missing some particles or dislocation their particles, the ratio will be remain same. Okay, so that's why stoichiometric defect do not disturb the stoichiometry of the compound. Okay, stoichiometry means ratio of cations and anions here, and this is also called thermodynamic defect because this defect depends on the temperature. Okay, as temperature increases, okay, number of particles, the tendency to escape of particles from the lattice position increases. Okay, that's why it is called thermodynamic defect. Okay, so stoichiometrically, here the ratio of cations and anions always remain same. Okay, so that's why this is called stoichiometric defect. Okay. So stoichiometry defects are of different types: vacancy defect, okay, interstitial defect, Frenkel defect, Schottky defect. So first vacancy defect. Okay, तो नाम से पता चलता है vacancy defect means in this case vacancy is created at the lattice position. Okay, vacancy is created at the lattice position. So when a vacancy is created, when some of the particle is missing from the lattice, okay, then a vacancy is created, vacancy or hole is created. Okay, so this type of defect is called vacancy defect. Okay, Clear?
Okay, sir.
What is vacancy defect?
Yes, sir.
Okay, easy है. हाँ, vacancy means vacancy create होगा. Okay, that's why it is called मतलब lattice site vacant हो जाएगा. Next, interstitial defect होगा. So interstitial this place, okay, between among with the particles is called interstitial position. Okay, so when particles occupy the interstitial site, then this type of defect is called interstitial defect. Okay, so in case of vacancy defect, as some of the particle is missing from their lattice position, so in this case density of the substance decreases. Okay, so in case of vacancy defect, density decreases. Clear? So in what will be the density change in case of interstitial defect?
Density increases.
Density increases. Okay, because here some of the particles come from outside. Okay, and occupy the lattice position. So as here number of particles increases, so obviously the density due to this defect is increases. Okay, so vacancy defect means vacancy is created at the lattice position. Interstitial defect means some of the particles occupy the interstitial position. Okay. So actually these two type of defects observed in non-ionic solid. Okay. So next Schottky defect. Clear? So Schottky defect means in this type of defect, same number of cations and anions missing from their lattice position. Okay, same number of cations and anions. That means if n number of cation is missing, then n number of anion is also missing. Okay, so this type of defect is called Schottky defect. So when same number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice position, Schottky defect is created. Okay, so here number of ratio of cations and anions is also same. Okay, suppose at first the ratio number, suppose at first number of cations 10, number of anions 10. Okay, after missing of one particles from each ions, number of now number of cations 9, number of anion also 9. Okay, so ratio is always 1:1. So that's why this type of defect is called stoichiometric defect. Okay, so here number of particles decreases, but their ratio remains same. Okay, so as the number of particles decreases, the density also decreases. Okay, so in case of Schottky defect, density is decreases. So it is what type of defect is this? Vacancy or interstitial?
Sir, vacancy defect.
Vacancy defect. Vacancy defect. Density is also decreases. Question आएगा, why density decreases in case of Schottky defect? So as the number of particles decreases, okay, that means mass decreases, but volumes remain same. So that's why density decreases. Clear? So what is the condition of Schottky defect? Okay, so first condition, size of cations and anions are almost same or comparable size. Okay, example sodium chloride, potassium chloride, okay, potassium bromide, cesium chloride, so many examples. So for the Schottky defect, okay, ionic compounds have same size of cations and anions. Okay, first condition. Next condition, they have high coordination number. Okay, so two condition, high coordination number and same size of ions. Clear? Schottky defect.